Injection molding is one of the fastest processes for producing parts of any type. In injection molding, we take thermoplastic, which does not go through a chemical change, but with heat, we melt it down and shoot it under very high pressures into a mold to make any type of part. It could be medical, it could be electronic, it could be industrial, it could be something for the Department of Defense. It's incredible the range of parts you can make out of thermoplastic. And a lot of people think of thermoplastic as the big gulp cup they get at the convenience store. Well, sure, that's a commodity plastic, and so is the stuff you make gas cans out of for your lawnmower. But we have some thermoplastics that have twice the strength of aluminum, compression strengths that are off the chart. Some thermoplastics will last all day long at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Some thermoplastics have the capability to do incredible work for mankind. The thermoplastics are used in permanently implantable parts inside the human body. It could be a part used for dentistry or a part for some medical application or something very, very simple. The largest train cars in North America used for hauling frozen French fries are partially made out of thermoplastic parts made here at Ash Industries. Anything you can think of about a plastic part's strength or how it feels or how it looks is maybe wrong, because plastic developments happen every day. It's amazing what is available today for ergonomics, for looks, for function. With over 19 machines from 25 tons all the way up to 850 tons, we make plastic molded parts. I'm Hartie Spence with Ash Injection Molding. The truth of the matter is that we've molded almost every type of thermoplastic you can imagine. Everything from the commodity plastics, polyethylene and polypropylene, all the way up to the most expensive glass and graphite filled PEEK that you can imagine. The most exotic material we ever run was $85 a pound. It was crazy stuff. It had twice the tensile strength of aluminum.
Ash Industries is a company built on engineering. That means right from the beginning of your project, we're considering design for manufacturability.
After 30 years of making components of all types, we've run across all sorts of specifications that may not necessarily be required.
We do get a lot of customers that spec out requirements that they don't necessarily need. And a lot of times I'll question their requirements, not because I'm questioning their design, but because I know what it's going to do to their cost, and I'm going to see if we can avoid that cost for them.
Because of the variety of machines and equipment and material we run, we have some parts that are so small, in the presence of static electricity, they disappear, they blow away. I mean, like smaller than a grain of rice. We have other parts that weigh as much as 25 pounds a piece.
So we have many different type of operations here at Ash Industries. We have the regular production operations in a fairly controlled environment, and then we have rooms like this, our ISO Class 7 clean room, where we're able to keep particulate counts at a very low level so that we can safely mold medical parts. We mold all sorts of medical parts. Some are implanted into the human body, and it is absolutely critical we mold them in an environment like this. So we have three things going for you for medical devices. One, we have the clean room capabilities behind us. Two, we have the Supermold program, which will get you production value parts at a pretty low cost. And three, we have biomedical engineers on staff who actually can help you with your part and making it manufacturing friendly. What that means for you is we are considering every aspect of the project right from the beginning.
This is Ash Industries' biggest and latest machine, an 850-ton behemoth that can make up to 25-pound parts. We make parts of all sizes for all sorts of different customers. And there's a beauty in being able to make large encasements and large components all the way down to the small, tiny accessories that need to make those parts work. And today we're making a part that I'm proud to say helps law enforcement and military. We make all sorts of incredibly useful things, whether it be for a medical application or to keep people in America safe. And that's what's fun about Ash Industries. American products, American manufacturing, American safety.
That was another great video by one of our part gurus, America's greatest contract manufacturers. You could support us.
You hit the like button, give a comment. We'll make more of these because we're here to help American manufacturing get stronger. help us out.
By smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, sharing the video, or leaving a comment. This allows us to travel the country and make more of these great videos of America's best contract manufacturers. Thanks for watching.